Hi friends, this is Manikanda Prasanna Kumar and welcome to my channel Maths with Money. You can follow me on my Facebook page Maths with Money. Regarding myself, I was selected in RRB NTPC and also SSC CGL and I have 3 years experience in teaching quantitative aptitude. So regarding this video, it is regarding SSC CGL 2018 mains questions explanation. The exam was conducted on September 11th, 2019. We already discussed 86 questions and in this video I'll explain question number 87 to 94. Okay. సో ఈ వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ సమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. సో ఇప్పుడు ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ పీడిఎఫ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇన్స్టామోజోలో మీకు అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్స్ అనేవి ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో మీరు ఎవరైతే ఆయా పీడిఎఫ్స్ కావాలనుకుంటున్నారో ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఆ టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన దగ్గర లింక్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో అది క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీకు డైరెక్ట్గా మీరు ఆ పేజ్లోకి వెళ్తారు, మీరు పర్చేజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఎనీ పీడిఎఫ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ పీడిఎఫ్ యూ విల్ బై, ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ 20 రూపీస్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ లిమిటెడ్ ఆఫర్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ ల్యాండ్ ఆన్ మే థర్డ్ వరకు మాత్రమే ఈ ఆఫర్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో తర్వాత మీకు 20 రూపీస్కి మాత్రం మీకు లభించదు. అయితే ఏ పీడిఎఫ్స్ అనేవి మీకు లభిస్తాయంటే మొదటగా ఏపీపీఎస్సికి సంబంధించి అంటే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ పబ్లిక్ సర్వీస్ కమిషన్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్న అభ్యర్థులు ఎవరికైనా కానీ జనరల్ స్టడీస్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని టాపిక్ వైజ్ కంపైలేషన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మోర్ దెన్ 580 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి దాంట్లో ఉన్నాయి టాపిక్ వైజ్ అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద టాపిక్స్. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు దాంట్లో టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఈ పీడిఎఫ్ మీకు దాంట్లో లభిస్తుంది. అంతేకాకుండా ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్కి సంబంధించి పర్టికులర్గా ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్కి సంబంధించి ఏ పీడిఎఫ్స్ అంటే జామెట్రీ అండ్ మెన్సురేషన్లో మీకు డైరెక్ట్గా టాపిక్స్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్, సర్కిల్స్, ఇన్స్క్రైబింగ్ ఫిగర్స్, ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మీకు దొరుకుతాయి. అంతేకాకుండా 3D మెన్సురేషన్, ఆల్జీబ్రా, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ, ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్, కోఆర్డినేట్ జియోమెట్రీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు దొరుకుతాయి. అంతేకాకుండా ఎవరైతే ఏపీపీఎస్సి కండక్ట్ చేసే డివిజనల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఆఫీసర్ డిఏఓ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి గాను స్టాటిస్టిక్స్, మ్యాట్రిసెస్ అండ్ సెట్స్, రిలేషన్స్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అనే టాపిక్స్ వెయిటేజ్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి ఉద్దేశించి ఈ టాపిక్స్ కూడా కంపైలేషన్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఈ ఆఫర్ అనేది లిమిటెడ్ ఆఫర్ కాబట్టి మీరు వీలైనంత త్వరగా అవి పర్చేజ్ చేసి మీరు వేగంగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, సో అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఈ పీడిఎఫ్స్ కాస్ట్ మీరు ఇచ్చే ప్రతి రూపాయి కూడాను ఈ క్వారంటైన్ పీరియడ్లో ఎవరికైతే అంటే ఈ లాక్డౌన్ వల్ల ఎవరైతే ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారో ఆయా ఫ్యామిలీస్కి ఆ డబ్బులు అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, clear? So now I'll start the main video, that is explanation of these questions 87 to 94. Let's see question number 87. If a cuboid of dimensions 30 to 12 and 9 centimeters is cut into two cubes of same size, what will be the ratio of the surface area of the cuboid to total surface area of the two cubes? Okay, suppose these are the dimensions of the cuboid LBH and this cuboid is converted into two cubes of same size. That means they are two identical cubes. Okay, for suppose the cube edge length is A. Now what you have to find out, what will be the ratio of the surface area of the cuboid? What is the surface area of the cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH by total surface area of two cubes. Here we have two cubes and each surface area of each cube is 6a square. So 2 cancel. Finally you have to find out LB plus BH plus LH by 6a square. I know the value of L, B and H, but I don't know the value of A. How can I find out the value of A? Yes, so here you have to apply the given condition. What is the given condition? This cuboid is converted into two cubes, two identical cubes. That's why volume of the cuboid This cuboid is converted into 2 cubes. Yes, so that's why volume of the cuboid is equal to 2 times of volume of each cube. So definitely volumes of cuboid is same as 2 times of volume of the cube. Volume of the cuboid LBH is equal to 2 times of volume of the cube. What is the formula for volume of the cube? Whose edge length is A cube. Clear all of you? So now LBH equal to 2A cube. From this condition, I can find out the value of A. Yes or no? I know the value of LBH. Clear? Okay. What is the value of A? Find out. L, that is 32, and B 12 and H 9 is equal to 2 into A cube. 2 ones, 2 6. Okay. So don't multiply these values 32, 6 and 9. You have to write down these numbers as product of numbers whose with cubes. Okay. Like I'll explain you. 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and 6 can be written as 3 into 2. Yes. So here we have 3 cube. And 32 can be written as 8 into 4. Yes, into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 8, 64. 64 can be written as 4 cube. Yes. So here 4 cube and 3 cube is equal to A cube. So what is the value of A? 12 centimeters. Clear? Now you have to find out this LB into LB plus BH plus LH by 6A square. So దీన్ని నేను ఇంకో విధంగా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Directly I can find out this value as how? If I take LBH common, okay, 1 by L plus 1 by B, here the calculations are important. 1 by B plus 1 by H by 6A square. Yes, what is the value of LBH? LBH equal to 2A cube. See, that's why in place of LBH, I can write 2A cube. So that's why 2A cube, if here 2A cube, A square cancel, 2 ones, 2 3s. So what is the value? A by 3 into 1 by L plus 1 by B plus 1 by H. Okay, A by 3 means 12 by 3, that is 4. LBH, what are the values of LBH? 32, 12 and 9. Yes. So from this you can find out the value of this ratio. Okay. కానీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమవుతుంది? ఇట్ టేక్స్ లార్జర్ టైం. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఎక్కువ టైం పడుతుందా లేదా? ఎందుకు? యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ది ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ దీస్ టూ? Okay, 4 8s, 4 3s, again 3 4s, 3 3s, like that. Yes, so don't take this as procedure. If it takes longer time, definitely you don't take this, you don't follow this. So what is general procedure? Generally substitute the values of L, B, H in this and find out the value. Sir, మరి అలాంటప్పుడు ఇది ఎందుకు చెప్పారు? So I want to prove you which method is taking shorter time. Clear? సో కాబట్టి చూడండి ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది మనకి. సో LB, that is 32 into 12, sorry. 32 into 12 plus 12 into 9 plus 9 into 32 by 6A square. 6 into A square means 12 into 12. So how do you calculate in a quicker time? You have to take the numbers which are common. Okay. So first 12. Can I take 12 common on both numbers? 12. Here 12 common, 12 common, 12 common. Here 12 common or not? Here 3 3s and here 4 8s. Next, which I can take common? nothing I can take common. So 32 plus 9, 41. 41 plus 24, 65. 12, 6, 72. So 65 is to 72 is the correct answer. Okay. So let's see. That is fourth option. I am not explaining the thing which was taking longer time. So this takes longer time, yes or no? That's why you have to skip this. You have to know which one taking longer time and which one taking shorter time. So how it come? With the practice you can understand which was taking longer time and which was taking shorter time. Clear? Next problem. 88. In triangle ABC, suppose it is triangle ABC, angle A is 58 degrees. I is in center. In center means point of intersection of internal angular bisector. The measure of angle BIC, it is direct formula we have. What about angle BIC? Directly we can write 90 plus half of the angle A. So here what is the value of angle A? 58. 58 law of 29. So it is 119 degrees. 119 degrees, where it is fourth option. Okay, these are very easy models when you know the direct formula. Clear? Next, 90th one. A train traveling at the speed of x kilometer per hour crossed a 200-meter long platform in 30 seconds and overtook a man walking in the same direction at the speed of 6 kilometer per hour in 20 seconds. What is the value of x? Clear? Normal here train speed is given as x kilometer per hour. Okay, and the length of it covered the length of platform. It covers the length of the platform in 30 seconds. But it covers the man who was walking on the same direction of the train with the speed of 6 km per hour in 20 seconds. So what is the value of x? That is the speed of the train. Okay. This model is very important. That's why I'll tell you the direct formula and also I'll tell you the basic method. That means procedure. Okay. So I'll tell you the direct formula here. Velocity of train or speed of the train is equal to length of the platform minus velocity of man into time in which train covered the man. Okay, time in which train covered the man by difference of the times taken by the train to cover the platform and the man. Okay, length of the platform minus velocity of man into time covered by the train to time by the train to cover the man minus by difference of the times taken by the train to cover the man and the platform. Excuse me. Okay, this is the direct formula. So using this formula you can easily solve this. Length of the platform, it is given as 200 meters. Yes. So I can take here meters and time is in seconds. That's why I'll write down total velocities in meter per second. Next I'll convert it into kilometer per hour. 200 meters and velocity of man, it was given as 6 kilometer per hour. I have to convert into meter per second. So multiply with 5 by 18. Next, time taken by the train to cover the man, that is in 20 seconds, by TP, time taken by the train to cover the platform, that is 30 seconds, minus again 20 seconds. Okay, you have to convert it into we get in meter per second, so you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So multiply with 18 by 3. That's it. Okay, let's see. 6 ones, 6 threes. 200 minus 5 into 20, 100. Yes, 100 by 3. 200 minus 100 by 3, 3 LCM. So 600 minus 100, 500 by 3. 30 minus 10, 20, 1 by 10 into 18 by 3. Antenama? Yes. So 0, 0 cancel, and 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. Any mistake? Oh, 5 into 20, 100 by 3. 600 minus 100. 50 by 3. 0, 0 cancel. Yes. Sorry, it is 18 by 5. Sorry, 18 by 3 in the case. Sorry, it's my mistake again. Eighteen by 5. Yes. 18 by 5. Here also 18 by 5. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 10 10 cancel, 3 ones 3 6, 5 ones 5 tens, 10 into 6, 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, it is 18 by 5 because you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. Sorry. So what is the answer? 60 kilometer per hour. Let's see which option it is. Fourth option. Okay, so if you remember the formula directly, you can easily solve it. This is the direct formula. Okay, otherwise how to solve it? So basically we can go through procedure also. In general, what is the formula for velocity? Velocity is equal to distance by time. Yes or no? This is the direct formula. So using this formula, velocity is directly proportional to distance and inversely proportional to time. Okay, so when it crosses the platform, suppose the length of the train is t, length of the train is some a, length of the train is a, then speed of the train is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform, that is 200, by time taken to cross that platform, that is 30 seconds. Okay, please observe it is x kilometer per hour. Okay, similarly, next, it covers the man who was walking in the same direction. What is the relative velocity? X minus 6 kilometer per hour is equal to, what is the length of the train? A, just length of the train only, by 20 seconds. So you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So it is equal to into, so you have, or 18 by 5. Okay, 18 by 5. So it is one equation and it is second equation. Clear? Okay. So now if I divide both the equations, so please remember, here you have to find out the value of x and you have to eliminate the value of a. Clear? Yes or no? So now let's see or observe carefully. From this condition, from the first condition, 6 5s, 6 3s. Yes. So 5 into 5, 25x by 3 is equal to 200 plus a. Yes, okay. What about from this condition? From this condition, x minus 6 is equal to 2 nines 2 tens. That means 9 by 50 into a. Antena? So from these two conditions, if I multiply with 9 by 50, here if I multiply with 9 by 50 and subtraction, yes, okay. So 9 by 50 of 25 x by 3 means 25 ones, 25 twos, 3 ones, 3 threes. That means 3 by 2, sorry, 3 by 2 x is equal to 200 into 90 by 9 by 50 means 436. 36 plus 3a by 2, sorry, 9a by 50. Okay, so if I subtract these two, 3 by 2 minus x, 3 by 2 x minus x means x by 2, minus of minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 36, and 9a by 50, 9a by 50 cancel. So what is the value of x? 36 minus 6, 30 into 2. So what is the value? 60 kmph. So where it is? Fourth option. That means here you have two conditions. One is train covered just platform and train cover the man. Using both the conditions you can get the value of x. Or if you want to find out the length of the train, you also find out the length of the train using, if I find the value of x, I can find the value of a also. Okay. So ila edaina cheyochu. Or if you remember the direct formula, it is also fine. Clear? And next 91. A cube plus b cube equal to 218 and a plus b equal to 2. Then what is the value of ab? Here we have two conditions. Here we have two methods. One method is you can directly substitute the values. A plus b satisfied at 2. A cube plus b cube 218 satisfied at 2. I can take two values. A is 7 and b is minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. And a cube, that is 343 minus 125, it is equal to how much? 218. So a equal to 7, b equal to minus 5, and these two values satisfies these two conditions. So a into b equal to how much? 7 into minus 5, that is equal to minus 35. So second option is correct. Sir, how can you take the values of a 7 and b minus 5? Yes, using practice. By observing these two conditions with much practice, I can take those values. Sir, if I don't know how to take those values, then how can I solve it? Yes, you can also solve it using without substitution. That is, we have direct formula for a plus b whole cube. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Yes, here you have to find out ab. Substitute the value of a plus b, that is 2. Yes, 2 cube equal to a cube plus b cube, that is 218, plus 3 into ab into a plus b is 2. 2 cube 8. 8 minus 218, that is 210 minus 210 equal to 6ab. So what is the answer? AB equal to minus 35. 6 ones 635. AB equal to how much? Minus 35. So it is also another method. Okay, it is first method and it is second method, substitution method and general method. Clear? Next one. 92. Anu sold an article for 480 rupees at some profit. Okay, had she sold it for 400 rupees, then there would have been a loss. Which is equal to 1/3 of the initial profit. 1/3 of the initial profit. What was the cost price of the article? So here we have two conditions. One condition is, suppose, let's see. The conditions are very important here. Let's observe. Suppose cost price it is and it is selling price. First condition. In the first condition, we don't know the SB and is sold an article 480 rupees. Cost price is how much? 480 rupees. Okay. Then, okay. And second condition, she sold it for 400 rupees. Second condition, what was the selling price? 400 rupees. Now what happened? Then there would have been a loss. In the second case, you are getting loss. Okay. Which is equal to the 1/3 of the initial profit. That means in the first condition, you will get some profit. I don't know how much profit I am getting, but in the second case, the loss is equal to 1/3 of the initial profit. Clear? Now observe loss. What is the formula for loss? Cost price minus selling price. You have to find out the cost price. Yes, suppose CP is X on both the cases. Okay, so X loss equal to cost price minus selling price. In the second case, that is X minus 400 is equal to 1/3 profit in the first condition. What is the formula for profit? Selling prices minus cost price, that is 480 minus X. So cross multiplication 3x minus 1200 is equal to 480 minus X. 3x plus X, 4x equal to 1680 rupees. So what is the value of X? It is equal to 420 rupees. X is nothing but cost price. That is fourth option. Clear? Very easy problem. Next 93. 93. Let x is equal to 633 whole to the power of 24 minus 277 whole to the power of 38 plus 266 whole to the power of 54. What is the unit digit of x? So very important model in number system is unit digit, finding out of unit digit. So in number system I already told how to find out unit digit of a number. Okay. So basically cyclicity of any number is 4. What is cyclicity? Suppose if I multiply with some, suppose if I take 3. Okay. 3 ni 4 times multiply చేశాను అనుకోండి. If I multiply 3 4 times, that is 3 power 4 equal to how much? 81. After every 4 multiplications, you will get the unit digit 3. So if after multiplication of 4, if I multiply again with 3, so definitely 3 into 1, 3 is the unit digit. You can take any number. If I take 7, 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 49 into 49. Yes, definitely I'll get 1 is the unit digit. If I again multiply with 7, definitely I'll get same digit. Since the cyclicity of any digit is 4, that's why first you have to do what? You have to do, whenever find out the unit digit of some number, you have to do first thing is divide the powers with 4. Divide the powers with 4. Okay, and write down the remainder, not quotient. You have to write down the write down the remainder. 24 by 4, 25 by 4 means what? 24 by 4 means the remainder is 0. Yes. 38 by 4, what is the remainder? 4 9s 36 and remainder is 2. 54 by 4, 54 by 4 means 4 1s 4, 14, 4 3s 2. Clear? Whenever there is a remainder 0, it represents, since cyclicity is 4, 0 represents same. 0 anna 4 anna okate. Okay, because the cyclicity is 4. Now you have to write down the given question as 3 power 4, because you have to take the unit digit of the base. 3 power 4 minus, since here minus 7. What is the power? Square. Plus, what is the unit digit? 6. What is the power? Square. 3 power 4 means 81. 81 means what is the unit digit? 1. Minus 7 square 49, unit digit 9. 6 square 36, unit digit 6. 6 plus 1, 7 minus 9. Antena 7 minus 9 it represents 17 minus 9. We can't write 7 minus 9 as minus 2 because you are finding out the unit digit. That means here you have last digit is 7 and you are subtracting this number from another number, that is number whose unit digit is 9. How can you subtract these two numbers? 7 means you have to by 1. Yes or no? So 17 minus 9, what is the unit digit? 6 is the unit digit. 17 minus 9 means, sorry, 8 is the unit digit, sorry. 17 minus 9 means 8 is the unit digit. So what is the correct answer? First option. So when you find out the unit digit of any number, you have to, when powers are there, so you have to first divide the powers with 4 and write down the remainders. And if there is a remainder 0, it implies 4 is the remainder because the cyclicity is 4. And now you have to take the unit digit of the base and find out the unit digit of those values, and with that, after final thing, you have to find out the unit digit of last step. Okay. That's it. Now see the last problem for this session. Cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to 1 by 2. Then what is the value of tan square theta, tan square 2 theta plus sin square 3 theta? We know that cos square theta minus sin square theta, what is the formula? Cos 2 theta, it is given as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means theta lies in first quadrant. So 2 theta equal to 1 by 2 means cos 30. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 theta, sorry, cos 60. Cos 60. So 2 theta equal to 60 degrees. So what is the value of theta? 30 degrees. Theta 30. So you have to substitute theta 30 here. Tan square 60 plus sin square 90. Tan square 60, that is 3, and sin square 90 means 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is second option. Clear? So using this, you can easily find out the value of the given problem. So with this, the session is completed. In the next session, I will solve the remaining problems, that is a 95 to 100. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day. All the very best to all of you, and Jai Hind.